What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to find winning products, and on top of that I'm going to actually show you a couple winners that I've found over the past couple weeks here. Now before we get into that, I just want to show you my store right now. As you can see, we've got lots of sales coming through, predominantly in the US. Here's the total sales for the day so far, and I'm just going to refresh real quick just so that you can see this is real. Got lots of sales coming through, and I just want to show you this real quick just so you know that what I'm doing is real and you have some proof, so you know you can trust what I'm about to show you. Alright, so some of the products that I'm going to be showing you that I believe are winners are actually from the product ideas tab from Molendijk University. If you're not a part of the university, that's fine, but I would recommend at least joining the free Discord. That's a great place where you can ask me some questions and get some ideas on what winning products may be. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at this product right here. This is a product that I recommend, and I'm going to explain kind of why I recommend it, and you'll kind of understand when you watch this video. So as we go ahead and we look at this, you can see it is just a solar light, but it's a variance of the solar light. So you can see the actual bulb itself is kind of more of like a rustic style bulb. It's not like those modern LED ones. Also, it's waterproof, as you just saw right there, easy to install. And since it's solar, it's a product where people can have multiple of these without having to wire them in. They can put them anywhere around their entire house, their property, whatever it is. It completely works wherever you place it. So it has great multi-order potential, and that's why I believe this is a great product. It's super easy to create a very aesthetic looking product page for this as well. And the potential for increased order value is so high because most people aren't just going to buy one of these. They're going to buy a lot of these and put them around their backyard most likely. So you can actually get incredibly high average order value, which makes it easier to run ads. The product does have a couple unique things about it that make it kind of like a value proposition. The first one is that it's waterproof. The second one is that it has motion detection, so it's something where it will activate whenever people walk by. It looks nice, like just in general, that actually looks pretty nice comparably to some of these other LED ones that just look so kind of crazy. This kind of has more of a homely, kind of rustic look to it. So there's definitely going to be some people that have more of like a vintage style home, or they like that kind of vintage type look a little bit more. Even right there in the garden, that looks really nice as well. So that's kind of why I think this is a great product. Next product we're going to take a look at here is this one. This one's super unique. It's pretty much a plant light. So if we go ahead, we take a look at the video ad right here, you can see I kind of like how it looks. Like it's like the plant and the light are their own kind of decor in itself. Like it's not just nourishing the plant, but it actually adds like a really unique kind of natural decor to a home. And I don't know, I think it's aesthetic. I think it's cool. Of course, it does help the plant grow. It's a grow light, so it has that functionality. A lot of people that own plants are crazy about their plants. Their plants are their babies. So these type of products have a massive emotional factor. Now, sales price for this product is quite high, which don't be scared off by that. If it's a good quality product that hits an emotional pain point, it has a value proposition that's actually practical, like it's going to help your plants grow. It's not just something that people get because they think it looks cool. And it has the aesthetic look too. So like that looks really, really good. Like look how nice that looks. It's just all around a really, really cool and unique product. So a higher value point is actually possible with these types of products. Now we're going to get into a couple more winner products, but first I want to quickly show you guys just a couple different ways to find these type of products. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to TikTok. And on TikTok, in past videos, I've shown you all how to just type in viral and then any type of product and you'll find something. But another thing that you can do is just type in viral products. And when you do this, you're going to get a ton of videos of people demonstrating viral products. Now, you may look at that and be like, okay, these are like Amazon products, these are whatever product. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that the product has a unique value proposition and the product has potential to make you a lot of money. And that generally comes in the way that it can be run in ads. Like, can you do entertaining ads? So if we go ahead and we look at these, what I would typically do when doing this method is I'm looking for videos that have very, very large amounts of views. So like 19 million, this girl's holding up a dildo. I'm kidding. It's like a bubble blower or something. But yeah, big view count. You want to go for big view count, and then just go through and watch these videos and kind of see what products are being demonstrated in the videos. So like this one, testing viral TikTok products. The cool thing about this method is you're going to get to see a ton of different product ideas, and you just got to pick one that you think is good and then go find a way to advertise it. So you're going to get a lot of different ideas. Now, the next thing you want to do once you find a video, let's say we go through and we find a video that has a large amount of views like this, like 6 million, I would go ahead and I'd click in it. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually scroll through the comments. So I'd of course watch it first, see what all the different products are that people are interested in. Like this one, I've seen this one before. This one is a great product. Like it's made a lot of money. So you'd go through, you'd look at the products, and then you'd scroll through the comments and kind of look for people that are specifically talking about the product, because there's going to be multiple different products in this video. So you really want to see which one kind of is getting the most attention from the audience. So if we go ahead and we kind of look through here, how much, like that's always a good sign. People saying, I want this, or people saying, how can I get this? Like stuff like that. People commenting specifically about certain products. That's a really good indicator. And you just really want to look through this. This one's actually a great video because it shows you how many views each product actually got. So it's going to give you a really good idea of what's a great product to actually go out and test. Now, another cool product that I thought was cool, and honestly, when it comes to product research, I can't stress this enough. It's so simple. It's really just me looking at something and being like, huh, that's cool. And then if I can see a good marketing angle, I'm going to run it. I'm going to test it. It really comes down to the marketing angle. And that's why I wanted to show you all this product right here. The marketing angle is exceptional. It's incredibly entertaining. Look at this. Super, super simple ad, but look at that. I remember watching this when I first saw it and I was like, that is so freaking cool. I kind of want one. And it's so stupid. Something stupid like this. The thing about these types of products is you can get exceptional amounts of views, you can get exceptional amount of engagement, and you can hit so many different types of creatives as well. And then when it comes to the product price point doesn't need to be that high because it's a gimmick. Like it's a product that doesn't really serve any purpose other than it's cool, right? So these products are typically very cheap to source, which means they can be very cheap to sell. So you can do it in a couple different methods, and that's kind of why I wanted to show you this product. So first method, of course, is just doing a lower price point, like something like $14.99 or something like that. You'd probably make profit margins of anywhere from like, I don't know, $8 to $9, maybe $10. And then you just want to go ahead and hammer hard on bulk discounts. So order more than one is essentially what your entire product page should be structured and funneling people through, is to order more than one, just due to the low price point. But what these people did is they kind of went a different direction. As you can see, they're doing the free plus shipping offer. So if we go ahead and we look at this product, look at that. Like, it's so cool. Different settings, different keys. Like, it's so simple. It's so unique. And they're doing the free plus shipping offer. So if we go ahead and we check this out, you can see the product price is free, but let's go ahead and see what they're charging for shipping. So here you can see what they're charging for shipping is $21. So, I mean, a little bit high, honestly. Like, that's kind of an aggressive move, but they're doing really well. Like, I've seen the account that's doing the organic content for this product. I've also seen several of their ads. They're doing exceptionally well. So technically, they're selling this product at $21, which means they're making great money on this product because you can easily source this for $4, including shipping. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. So just all around, another example of a great product that you could potentially go out and test. Now, next thing we're going to look at here is this right here. So this app is called Droppy Spy. What we want to do with this app is a couple different methods. I use two different methods to find products. First one is finding new products. Second one is finding super, super old products. because old products that performed well like several years ago can perform well again. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here and I'm going to do media type video. Countries, you can do a bunch of different countries, but we'll just start off with the United States. And then call to action, we want to do shop now. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and go like this, just bring these up just a little bit because we're going to actually sort by descending. And the next thing that we want to do is the anger. This one's really important. We want to make sure that the anger is down as much as possible. Like, since we're doing old products, we're going to put it at 500 because there's going to be a lot of angry people. But below 500 for an old product with a lot of other engagement is actually pretty good. So we'll go ahead, hit search. And then what we want to do is go up here and we want to go and either sort by shares or comments, because those are higher value engagements as opposed to likes. Shares and comments typically means they're trying to engage other people that they know. So I typically start with shares and we're going to go with descending. And then you just kind of want to go through. So as you can see, some of these products were launched in 2017, 2019, and that's fine. We're going to do a rebirth of these products because they performed exceptionally well back then. They may have only been run on Facebook as well. Like back in 2017, TikTok wasn't huge. And I don't even think TikTok ads was even a thing for a lot of different countries. So it's a great opportunity to take these products and run them on TikTok now. So if we go ahead and we look through these, you're going to be able to see a ton of different product ideas. Like this one got 109,000 likes and 105,000 shares and 39,000 comments. Like 39,000 comments. That's probably going to be a pretty good product. So you can kind of go through and you can see a bunch of different product ideas, and you know, they're already proven. Like, these are proven products that you can go out and test, and the likelihood that some of these may have never been tested on TikTok, so you have like a new platform as well, is just exceptional. Like it just it's like throwing darts at a board that's 1 inch away. Like you're gonna hit the target. It's gonna happen. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and we're going to be looking for the same thing, but instead what we want to do is we actually want to go to the filter and we're going to sort by the date. So we want to make sure that the date is a little bit closer, I would say. So typically I'll go out like maybe 1 to 2 months. So let's just go ahead, search up last month, so January. And then you're going to kind of do the same thing. So as you can see, we got some that are here. It will show like launch date, and then here it will show run date. So ideally you're looking for ones that have both a launch date and a run date around that same month. Because this just means that they launched new ads in January, but the originals of this ad were running way back then. And this is for BlendJet. So that kind of makes sense. So something like this, send a cake. I mean, I think this is probably like something to do with like, oh shit, okay. Never mind. I was not expecting that at all. Okay, so weird shit. Great for creating some cool content. So potentially a good product. This one was launched back in January of 2024. Different frames. So like, I know that this company is absolutely killing it. I don't know if this is the actual company that I know of, but switchable frames is a huge market, lots of potential. So as you can see, you're going to get a lot of different ideas. Again, keeping that anger meter down, because less angry, lots of engagement means that the product actually is good, which of course we want to make sure that we're sourcing good quality products. So use some of these techniques, join the Discord, check it out. If you want to join the university, that option's there for $50. You can get access to the product ideas, and you can also get access to the entire dropshipping masterclass for only $50. So some super great value there. I hope this video helped you all out, and I'll see you all in the next one.